What's good, YouTube? We are back with another video on the OEM Plus YouTube channel. Today we're going to be I know you guys probably saw from my unboxing video and initial impressions video. We're going to get down to the installation of the AST 5100 competition series coilovers. I will be replacing the current air suspension that I have now. This process is gonna take some time. I don't like to rush these things, so I'm gonna take my time, and I've already got the air out of the tank and stuff, so I just gotta pop the lines off and then begin the installation process. So I will try to bring you guys in as much as possible, maybe use my action camera to show you guys what's up. Normally, rule of thumb, if you see me wearing a black do-rag, it means I'm probably going to be working on the car. So if you see me wearing a white one, probably not. So if you see me wearing none, probably not. So yeah, that's pretty much it on today's video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully I can knock this out. Hope it doesn't get too hot in here, but it is what it is. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so the rear old bag suspension is out. Got this side in. Looks good. Gotta tuck that. Yeah. So I didn't mark my bolts. You always make sure you mark the bolts right there for the camber, or not the camber, the toe. I didn't do that, so my alarm is gonna be fucked on this side. Air suspension is out. Trunk is somewhat clean. Still got the auxiliary wire that's run to the controller. It's in the front, so I gotta like pull that through or figure out how I can get that out without doing much deconstruction. But yeah, once I put the back panel back on, it'll be somewhat normal. Might get a little mat, cover up the holes, and just cut the mat around the sides there. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, it's all out. All the lines, pulled them all out. So fun stuff. All right, guys. So onto the front. So this should be. I want to say it'll be pretty straightforward, but it never is with me. So the main thing is taking brackets off, moving wires out of the way. Make sure I take that sensor off down there. If you can see it way down there, because I don't want to snap that. Air lines have been disconnected. Then I just gotta take the E14 bolts off and yeah, wiggle that thing out. I got a spreader, so I'll probably use that to give me some leeway there. And let's see. Yeah, I'll try to just do it with that. So yeah, the other end link there. So yeah, shall see. Hopefully it will be easy. If I can get the fronts done today and then leave tomorrow to just adjust everything, that would be ideal, but we'll see. I'm halfway through with my drink and feeling quite nice. Garage is open. So yeah, let's do it. And we back. Took it out. Boom, boom. Easy peasy. And links over there somewhere. And it's fucking. So yeah. And links over there. See, I got the spreader in there, so it made it easier to pull the strut out. So yeah, good thing about this kit is it tells you left and right, so that's cool. forgot that I was recording and video documenting this whole thing. So I'm gonna bring you guys in. So all the coilovers are installed. I'm making my adjustments now. It's got a little whiteboard, write everything down. But so yeah, coilovers are in. Let me turn this fan off. All right, so yeah, coilovers are in. As you can see, it looks pretty solid. And adjusting the camber up front first, and then I will go with the height adjustments. So I just finished adjusting this side here, so it's about 5 inches. I think this should be a good height, 5 inches from here down to here, and it should sit just a little bit above the tire, giving it some room to settle. So yeah, I put the dampening on about 4-6 clicks right now, see how that feels, and then I'll adjust as needed. So yeah, now I am going over here. You guys that over here. So I just pretty much got this thing all the way up. It's high. Not high, but it's pretty high. So what you do is you just take the little Allen wrench here. Make sure you do not over tighten this thing. I'm loosening it up right now so I can spin it. But it says on the sticker on the side here, do not over tighten. Then you take your, I think it's to the back, I think. Let's see. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this, make some measurements so I can get it from here to about here, about 5 inches there. Release some of this pressure on this help spring and it should be good to go. I forgot my adjustments on the dampeners here, but I just put it back to soft and readjust it. So yeah, not too bad. We'll keep working at it and bring you guys back in so you see somewhat the finished product. Alrighty, I think I'm done. Got everything adjusted, wheels back on, it is back on the ground. I still got a Alright, so I think I'm done. Got everything adjusted to a pretty good riding height, I think, before it settles. I think it's looking pretty good. I gotta raise it back up, get the ramps underneath so I can get the car off because I can't get my wind jack. The car is slow. But I'm gonna do that. Yeah, looking good. Pretty easy to adjust once you get everything tightened down. And, you can adjust the end links, heights, tighten those up. I'm gonna take it to a race shop down the street. Got a Porsche race team. I have to do my alignment and just go over everything and make sure it's like really solid. I'm pretty sure they're probably familiar with Moton as well. So yeah, so that was it. All right, so I think this is a pretty solid ride height. Again, we're gonna settle, and yeah, looks good there. Solid ride height there. The front's probably gonna settle a lot more because of the weight of the engine, so I didn't want to go too aggressive on that side. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I should have showed you guys how to adjust them, but it's pretty. No, I did show you how to adjust them. I should have showed you like what the heights were, or what what I measured to get this height on each side. But it's all good. You guys can figure it out when you get coilovers and whatnot. Yeah, let me know what you think. I'm going to get this thing finished out, wrapped up, take it for a spin, and I will do a review video once they settle in, once my alignment is done, and I will review, give you guys feedback comparison between coilovers, stock AST springs, which I had first, the bags, and then AST Moton coilovers, competition coilovers. So I give you guys a full rundown what I think the best setup is, and yeah, what you should get. So until next time, guys, peace.